वंशकल्पतरुर्भश्यश्च कृपसिन्धुवेव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji. Ananya Mataji, sing a bhajan,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes,
Mataji, can I sing a Hindi bhajan because I don't know?
yes, Mataji, any bhajan, no problem at all.
Okay. Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna.
There's a Radha Rani bhajan which I normally sing. Like when you do the Antakshari notes, when it comes Ma, everyone sing Maya Yashoda. But when it's our, like a girls group turn, I sing this one. So this is मीठे रस से भरी ओणी राधा रानी लागे, ओ राधा रानी लागे। मन खारो खारो जमुना जीरो पानी लागे। मीठे रस से भरी ओणी राधा रानी लागे, ओ राधा रानी लागे। मन खारो खारो जमुना जीरो पानी लागे। ना भावे मन माखन मिश्री, अब ना कोई मिठाई। मारी जी बलिया न तो भावे, राधा नाम मलाई। राधा नाम में सफल जिंदगानी लागे, ओ जिंदगानी लागे। मन खारो खारो जमुना जीरो पानी लागे। राधा राधा नाम रटत है जो नर आठों, उनकी बाधा दूर करत है राधा राधा नाम। राधा नाम में सफल जिंदगानी लागे, ओ जिंदगानी लागे। मन खारो खारो जमुना जीरो पानी लागे। यमुना मैया कारी कारी, राधा गोरी गोरी। वृंदावन में धूम मचावे, बरसा नारी छोरी। ब्रज धाम राधा जो की राज धनी लागे, ओ ब्रज धनी लागे। मन खारो खारो जमुना जीरो पानी लागे। मीठे रस से भरी होली राधा रानी लागे, ओ राधा रानी लागे। मन खारो खारो जमुना जीरो पानी लागे। हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
Hare Krishna. I tried to share, but it didn't work. Beautiful, Mataji. Hari Hari.
Wonderful माता जी।
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji. That was
Thank you,
really
Mataji.
awesome. Hare Krishna. Yes. Hare Krishna. So, I think how to measure our journey through this 18 days. Can anyone of you tell me, like in the temperature you saw before we started with the level 2 and the temperature now? In what? In Bhakti. So this section is actually for not for me to speak. It is for you all to ask either doubt. If at all I know, I will share, or anybody else in this platform. If they know the answer, they can share. Plus, your realization. That's why I said before starting level 2, where were we standing in Bhakti? And after level 2, where are we there in Bhakti? And Krishna's beautifully has taken us through this journey, right? Right from the beginning, do your duty. That's all. Who else, which religion will say, whatever you want, you do? Just keeps Krishna in the center. Isn't it? Hare Krishna. Yes. Who wants to go first? You can raise your hand. Hare Krishna. Yes? Nobody? Okay. Nobody has any doubt also? That's awesome. Three types of people. In Tamil, we say no. In any classroom, there are three types of people. One is like, what do you call, coal. Coal, no? We, like instead of gas, those days, the gas cylinders were not there. So, koila ka chulha, we say no. That people used to fan and it used to catch fire, right? Another type of understanding is like Kapoor. The moment you take the fire near to that, it burns. That type is like that, we call it as Vara thunder. What is it? It's a banana tree. Inside that white trunk comes, no? How much ever, even you pour petrol on that, then you light, then also it will not burn. Isn't it? So there are three types of learners. So I will consider you all are like Kapoor. Before telling something, only you all, but see, Krishna tells, be a bhavagrahi, not a bharavahi. Bharavahi is like that. You remember in our first level, we had that cart, one cart, that a cow or ass, whoever drags it, full of load. Even little bit you try to put in that, either the axle will break or everything will fall down to that extent. Filled to the rim, and that donkey is taking it. Is it not? So that means what? Full of bharavahi. So that means we think we own proprietorship, ownership. You know what is that? Karmis, yeah, who wants to tell that? Karmi, Jnani, and Yogi. Who is like what? Karmis are, Karmis claim, I do it. So Karmis claim,
Proprietorship, Mataji.
proprietorship. Then Jnanis claim, because they have Jnana, so they claim controllership. They feel my word has to be the last. In any debate, in any competition, whatever it is, my word should be the last. I will control everybody. My decision has to be obeyed. I will make the final decision. Isn't it Jnanis? So they have the controllership. Proprietorship why karma yoga? I earned prakriti kriyamana ni 3.27. Gunaya karmani sarvashaga agankara vimudatma karta agamiti manyate. So he thinks I got the ability, I earned with my strength. Yeah, and it is mine, everything is mine. I am the owner of my house, I am the owner of my body. Like that, he thinks. That is why the karmis claim proprietorship, jnanis claim controllership, and the yogis claim only one is left. What is that? Enjoyership. Because they go to Siddhi. Siddhi Bhukti Mukti Kami. So Siddhi Buddhi Mukti Kami. They desire everything. So what do they think? In that Siddhi level, oh, I have to enjoy all the 8 siddhis. Anima, Lakhima, Mahima, Garima, all those 8 siddhis, So he thinks, I am the enjoyer. I will enjoy. Sitting here, I can travel all over the. How many planets are there? All 7 planets I can travel, upper planet system. Like that they think. So that is enjoyership. Is it not? So why did we say? So having learned this Bhagavad Gita, we all have to be Saragrahi instead of Bhavagrahi. Saragrahi, it's like the swan. The swan takes the milk and leaves the water. So like that we have to be Sara or Bhavagrahi, not the Bharavahi. Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes. So another verse, remember 5.29. Krishna anyway tells, I am the enjoyer, I am the controller, I am the supreme. Bhoktaram yakitapasam. Who knows the verse? We are missing Loknath Prabhu. He's not there. Might be busy with his business trip. 5.29. Bhoktaram yajnatapasam sarvalokamageswaram suhridam sarvabhutanam nyatva mam shanti mrichati. So we all say, no, there's no peace at all. Very sorry.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
I am audible, Mataji.
Now only you are audible, but you are mildly audible to me. 1 second, 1 second.
यज्ञतपसं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं शूद्रं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति.
Hari Bol. Now we could hear Prabhu. I don't know whether I was not able to hear or everybody was. It was very mild that time. Thank you, Hare Krishna. So that's a peace formula. Whoever wants peace in life, whatever happens, we can't control it. Nothing is in our hand. We are only the three gunas. You remember that puppet show? So we are tied with the three gunas. And he is the one who is making us dance to his tune. We are in this material world which is compared to dash.
दुःखालयं
Dukkha.
माताजि
Okay.
दुःखालयं.
Okay. It is said to be Dukkalayam, but compared to, it is full of Dukkalayam. That's a reality. Compared to
Temporary material is a temporary. What you
comparison, analogy.
illusion, that smoke, just like smoke.
Prabhuji, they all are the reality. It is analogy. The something is Lord's lotus eyes. It is compared to lotus. Like that, this Dukkalayam is compared to this temporary Dukkalayam, which is filled with illusion, is compared to jail. Right?
Yes,
We all are in the jail.
yes, Mataji, yes. Yes.
So we all have got the clubs. Somebody is doing Satoguna, they are tied with golden club. Who all are in Rajoguna with the silver. And who all are in Tamoguna with the iron. That's all the difference. It's like as we go to for holiday destination, right? We go to different places. So there we go enjoy and come. That's all. We don't own ownership, no. After going to the room, we say, I'm the owner of this room for 4 days. Whatever I want to do in this one, the room, I will do. I'll change the curtain. I'll buy new sofa. I'll throw the old sofa. Can we do it? No. But coming here is also like that only. Right? So we all have to think that we are living in Krishna's home. But Krishna has given us for us. But our eternal home is Lord's abode. We have to slowly, gradually transcend to reach Lord's abode. Goloka Vrindavana. Hare Krishna, Ritvika Mataji, go ahead.
Mataji, I want to share one story.
Hari Bol. Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, nearby my house, there is a temple named Mahaprabhu Tola. And I have heard that Mahaprabhu came here and with all like Panchatattva, we say na. And he has stayed there also. And there is a ghat named Shodaprato Ghat, where from he has gone with doing kirtan. And there is another place named Kirtan Khola, where there is another place named Kirtan Khola, where Mahaprabhu's Mridanga broken there while doing Kirtan, and from there the name came Kirtan Khola.
Yes. Thank you, Mataji, for sharing. That is wonderful. Do you know where else Mahaprabhu's Mridang was broken?
Yes, in Navadip.
Yes, the king that time, that his devotees were doing kirtan, and actually, if we go to Navadip, that road is between Gaura Kishora Babadas Samadhi, and which is the other place? I forgot, just now we went. That particular road is in between that. We can see their samadhis also over there. The king, because they were doing Nagar Sankirtan, that the Muslim kings know, Khan, he broke, Ras Khan, he broke the Mridanga. And they came and told Mahaprabhu like that he has broken. So Mahaprabhu said, okay, tomorrow I will take him to the task. In the sense, he is merciful. He will only give Krishna prema. So he just went to talk to him, to get the permission to do Nagar Sankirtan anytime, whenever devotees want, and nobody will prohibit. So he went. By then, you know what happened? Same night. Do anyone of you aware of this story? Hare Krishna. Same night, Narsimha came in that Raskant's dream. And when he was like sleeping, he told, okay, Mahaprabhu went, and Mahaprabhu wanted to tell him that how dare you broke the mridanga. Hereafter, whenever we want we do, nobody can stop us. He wanted to tell. But before that only, when Mahaprabhu went only, he welcomed Mahaprabhu like anything. And he started telling, you all can chant anytime, nobody will stop you, and all. Then he told, last night, like that, one lion came, and that lion was sitting on me, and it tore my chest, and he told, everything. Whoever, that's just now he said, no, whenever they want, they will do Nagar Sankirtan, they will play Mridanga, nobody can stop, all those things. After that, and he said when the dream was over, he got up and saw the same that nails mark, on his chest. So, and he, in this process, so many times he told Mahaprabhu, Krishna. So Mahaprabhu actually went to give that mercy only to him. Because we know this week is going on. This week is holy name chanting week. How much ever we chant, it gives multiple effect. Like that, Damodar month is going to come. I would request every one of you to participate in Damodar Leela, because whatever small little act we do during Damodar month, it has 1,000 times effect. Like one time also, if we sing Damodar Ashtakam, it is equal to singing 1,000 times. Those days, ISKCON, we all go with the Damodara picture. Something happened. Okay. We go with the Damodara picture to many non-devotees' house. All devotees go in devotees' house also. There will be Kirtan and what do you call that? Katha, Damodar Katha, Prasadam, etc. But main objective is to go to non-devotees' house. So with the Damodar picture, wherein Yashoda Maya is tied Krishna in that vocal, and Krishna, with the so sweet, fearful eyes looking at. His eyes will be fearful, but we can make that manda manda muskan on his lips. He's trying to give that fearful look, but sarcastically he is smiling in that picture. It will be beautiful. So, like that, we take that and tell Damodar Katha. Those who hear Damodar Katha will be liberated. How? Because Nalakubera, Manigriva, you all know that two trees who were there, Nalakubera and Manigriva, because of Narada's curse, they became Amala Arjuna tree at the courtyard of Krishna. That is what, when great saints, great saints who are Lord's devotee, even if they curse, that curse is a bliss. It is not a curse. Like anything you take, this one, who is that? Dhruva Maharaj, sorry, not Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva Sumani. Dhruva Sumani wanted to kill Ambarish Maharaj. What happened? Ambarish Maharaj, which lesson we learned from Ambarish Maharaj's story? Can anyone tell? Dhruva Sumani wanted to kill him. So he creates a big demon. That demon goes after Ambarish Maharaj. And Ambarish
Krishna,
Maharaj.
yeah,
Yes,
Krishna can tolerate anything against him, but never against any of his devotees.
against his devotees. Hari Hari Bol. Any verse you know, Mataji? Wherein Krishna immediately come down for his devotee. Okay. 9.31. Hare Krishna. 9.31. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma shashvat shantim nigachati kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranashyati. My devotee will never perish. Name bhakta pranashyati. I will not let my devotee perish. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma. If something is happening to him, next minute, in a moment, I'll be there. Kshipram. Takshanat, the meaning, immediately. the Lord comes. This is one verse, 9.31. Two more verses are there. Krishna tells if they have done any devotional service to me, what will happen to them? How will I take care of them? Same chapter. Hare Krishna. Apichesu duracharo bhajate mamananyabhak sadhureva samantavya samyak. Next verse. After Chipram Bhakti Dharmatma, the next verse. 3.1 and 3.2. That is,
3-0, Mataji. This
yes, ma'am.
Apichetasya is 3-0, Mataji.
3.0 and 3.1.
Yes,
Right?
3-0 and
Yes.
3-1.
3.0
Yes,
and 3.1. This is Chiprambhavati is 3.1. 3.0 is Apichet Saduracharo. Bhajatri Mamananyabha. One whoever worships me. Apichet Suduracharo. Even by mistake, if you have done any Durachara. Durachar means what? Abominable act. If they have done, what will I do? Bhajate mam ananyabhak sadhureva sa mantavya samyak vyavastito hi saha. Vyavastita means to establish. So even if they fall down for any reason, for doing impious activities, abominable activities, being a devotee, knowingly or unknowingly, I will fix them back because they are my devotee. I will re-establish them. We know that is why Samyak Vyavastito Yisaka. With beautifully Samyak. Samyak we say Sahi Vyavastha ke saath. So I will re-establish them as my devotee only. So Krishna never lets his devotee come down, perish. That is why he tells in 2.40, even little bit bhakti if you have done, that will be in your account balance. Even the Atma, soul leaves the body, but in your account, karmic account, that punya karma will be there. It's not a punya karma, we should say a karma. And punya karma also, it is pious activity. Punya karma also, we have to come back to make our balance zero. This is not that. Akarmic activities are eternal account. That balance will ever exist there. So when next time we come, we can take on from that balance. Unlike the material accounts, how much ever money we put, whether 1 rupee or 1 crore rupee, we go away, relatives will be waiting to take that money. So many will claim relation also. Many people who are not our relatives, who are never seen us, they will also come and claim relationship for that 1 lakh rupees, 1 crore rupees. But this karmic account is not like that. How much ever we have deposited, in the next birth when we come, that account also will come with us. And Krishna is telling, this account is only deposit. You can keep on more and more and more and depositing in that account. It will get accumulated. Neha Vikraman Ashosti. Pratyavayo na vidyate. Swalpamapyasya dharmasya. Like Ajamin, when he was very young, he used to bring water for Abhishekam. He used to bring flower for his father's deity worship, Archana. And how Krishna helped him? Unknowingly, he called his son. Not even 1%. But still, Mataji, if we also do something like that, will Krishna help? Here, one thing very important. He called Narayana, but in that mental status, he did not remember neither the Lord Narayana nor his son. But he knew he was in the habit of calling Narayana for everything at that age of 80. And so by default, it came to him Narayana. Since in that mind of state, his son was also not there, Lord was also not there. So the Lord sent his Vishnu Dutas to bring him back because he chanted Narayana. And that is what, whole life is preparation for us. Which time, which question we prepared came in the exam. Due to that, we might have either passed, or due to that one question, we might have got gold medal. Nobody knows. So life is preparation. Death is the only examination we need to pass. Whole life we have to prepare and prepare and prepare. Okay, Hare Krishna. What is that verse? Anybody remembers? We should always remember Krishna Prabhupada's beautiful, what do you call that? Every lecture he will say, the sentence he likes the most. Always remember Krishna, Never forget Krishna. What is the verse? Hare Krishna. Yes. What is that? Satatam Vishnu Smaratavya Satatam Vishnu Smara or yeah, 1 second, I will show it. Smaratavya Satatam Vishnu Vismaratavya na jatu chet Sarven Vidhi Nisheda. Are you able to see? Or, oh, no, sorry, 1 minute. It is Madhya Lila, 22nd chapter, 113 verse. Smaratam. Are you able to see now?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Smaratavya satatam Vishnu Vismaratavya na jatu chet Sarve vidhi nishedasyur. We don't have to follow any rules and regulation. In front of remembering Krishna. Etayoryeva kinkara. See, yes. Yes, Ananya Mataji, can you read this translation for us?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna is the origin of Lord Vishnu. He should always be remembered and never forgotten at any time. All the rules and prohibitions mentioned in the Shastras should be the servants of these two principles. Hare
Hari
Krishna, Mataji.
Bol. So, Hare Krishna. Rules are the pious activities, prohibitions are the impious activities. Now you tell me, why these rules and prohibitions are servant to Krishna? Why are they servant to remembering Krishna? Hare Krishna.
Because Mataji, all the rules are set by Krishna only. A king need not follow the rules.
Hari
If
Hari.
he
Yes,
goes to
Mataji.
inspect something, he need not abide by the rules. It is for the citizens to follow the rules, not for the king.
Exactly. The analogy what Prabhupada has given is traffic signal. That is one. Or the king.
Prison
Hare
and
Krishna.
prison jail.
Hari Bol, correct.
Jail.
Yes.
Who is jail?
The superintendent of the jail
yes,
comes to the jail,
superintendent,
or the
yes.
governor or the minister, prime minister. When they come to the jail, they don't have to follow the rules and regulation. Similarly, the king who has laid down the principles, rules and regulation, he need not follow. When he comes, he doesn't have to stand in the traffic signal. He can go. But here, very important thing. Krishna has told in 15.15. What is 15? Very important verse. You remember? 15.15. Sarvasya chagam hridi sannivishto. Who knows?
सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मता स्मृतिपोहनम च सर्वे
Vedaishcha sarvair.
वेदैश्च सर्वैरहं Mataji, I forgot.
वेदैश्च सर्वैरहम् एव वेदो वेदान्तकृत् वेदवित् एव चाहम्.
Hari bol. So I have given the Veda. These pious activities and impious activities are coming from the Vedas. Who has given the Vedas? I have given the Vedas. I am the compiler of Vedas. Vedaishcha sarvair agamyeva vedyo. Vedanta krit veda vid eva chaham. One who wants, they will know this. Vid means to know. They will know this, that I am the compiler of the Vedas. So he gives the memory, he gives the knowledge. Smritir jnanam apohanam cha. Hari bol. So beautiful, no? See the link. See the link. Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, and Chaitanya Charitamrita. That is why that day Vamshida Prabhu is not there. Yeah, Bhagavad Gita is like our graduation. And Bhagavatam is like our post-graduation. Chaitanya Charitamrita is our PhD. By actually speaking, another thing also we can tell. Bhagavad Gita is Brahman realization. Why? Bhagavad Gita tells that Dehinosminyata Dehe, who knows the shloka? Kaumaram Yavanam Jara.
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरा प्राप्तिर्धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति. Hare
Hari
Krishna.
Hari Bol. We are not this soul, so we are not this body, we are the soul, and this soul transmigrates at the time of end, at the end, right? And it transmigrate means goes from one body to another. So Bhagavad Gita is, I am not this body, I am the soul. Okay, so that is Brahman realization. Bhagavatam talks about all the Vaishnavas, Krishna's devotees, who all were liberated. How they became devotees, that is also there. Dhruva Maharaj, a materialist, became a devotee. Like that, so many. Parishit Maharaj became a devotee in 7 days. So when we learn all these things, what we come to the level of, yeah, there is a super soul in me who notes, yaha pashyati sa pashyati, that keeps on watching me. Everything, whatever the soul desires, it is watching me. So that is Paramatma. That is Bhagavatam Paramatma realization. Chaitanya Charitamrita Bhagavan realization. Because that is practical. But see, Bhagavad Gita gives the rules. Bhagavatam tells us who all live that rules. 2 types of Bhagavatas are there. Who are they? Okay, Book Bhagavata and Book Bhagavatam is one. Another one
And
is
Krishna Bhagavat.
Yeah, but Krishna himself. Actually, he is the, what is it? Bhagavatam is the literary incarnation. Krishna tells in Bhagavatam. But पुराणार्को अधुनो उदितः वदन्ति तत्विदत्तत्वं यज्ञानम् अद्वयं ब्रह्मेति परमात्मेति भगवान् इति शब्दते कृष्णस्वदामोपगतो धर्मज्ञान आदिभिः सह Krishna Swadamo. From the Dwapara Yuga, when he went to his own abode, Swadhamo, Pagato, when he went, Dharma, Jnana, Adibhigi Saha. Everything ended with Dwapara Yuga, Dharma, Jnana. Kali Yuga started. So when he went to his abode with all these things, what happened? Purana Arko Aduno Uditaha. Where that Dharma took shelter, Krishna Swadhama Pagato, Dharma, Jnana, Adibhigi Saha. But where that, what is it? Dharma. That Dharma took shelter. Where? In the sun, newly risen sun. Newly risen sun, what it will do? It will dispel the darkness and it will give the light, isn't it? Similarly, after Krishna went, everything was dark. We didn't know what to do. Then people asked, oh Krishna, you will go now. What will we do? He said, no, I will never go. As Srila Prabhupada said. Krishna said, I will never go. I have given this Bhagavatam. He came in the form of Vyasadeva and he gave us this Purano Arka. Which Purana? Bhagavatam Purana. Okay. See, so similarly, why we were saying Bhagavatam is none other than Krishna itself and the devotees who lived the Bhagavatam. So many stories, what is it, Prachina Parihi and the Prahlad Maharaj, Dhruva Maharaj, Prithu Maharaj, so many devotees' life we see in that. They all have lived Bhagavatam. So that is Bhagavatam, the Bhagavatam. Bhagavan himself is Bhagavatam and also the people who have lived, all these Vaishnavas. So 2 types of Bhagavatas are there. That is Paramatma realization. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in the form of Mercy Avatar. He wanted to spread this only holy name. So he lived. He lived like a servant. Bhagavatam tells in the form of story. Lord servant will always reach him. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and lived in that manner to show all the devotees will go back to Godhead, Goloka. Hare Krishna. Where we go? I don't know. What did we take? What was our... Ritvika Mataji, it was a original hand raised or one more. You can go ahead, Mataji.
Mataji, I have one question.
Yeah, tell me, Mataji, ask.
Mataji, in one Bhagavatam class, one Mataji said that if we do not take Diksha, then all things we are doing for Krishna, that will go in vain. Mataji, I have not taken Diksha, so...
Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes, yes. Mataji, we all want to say for example, people want to give a NEET exam. Okay, so what happened? For what generally they will do? First in 11th and 12th, they will try to study by themselves, or the school teachers will teach. They may go for a coaching or whatever it is. Okay. But for only NEET, they go a vigorous training. Is it not? Only they will keep preparing and solving papers and things like that. Okay. Fine. So if they got the right coaching institute, right master, they all will be able to get through that exam. Is it not? But if they are not able to, they have to compromise with whatever they get. Yes or no? It will go in vain in the sense what Krishna himself has told, nothing will go in vain. Nega Bikraman Ashwasti Jasna Visa. But in the same, in the same birth, we will not be able to reach Krishna. That is why she might have said it will go in vain. Our objective should be to reach Krishna in the same birth. Why? That effect of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's holy name will remain only for 10,000 years in Kali Yuga. After that, Gorgali will start. So what happened? Already 5,500 years are over. Krishna came 5,000 years before. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came 500 years before. 5,500 years are already over. So only 4,500 years are over. In that 4,500 years, which yoni we are going to take? When will we reach Krishna's abode? We don't know. Na? So that is why, with firm conviction, we should say, yes, actually, one more thing, Mataji. If the, if the bhav towards Krishna is very, very sincere, we don't have to look for a guru. Krishna will send us the guru. Automatically, guru will come. You will be surprised where from Guru came, how I accepted him, how he accepted. In fact, we accepted him, it's a wrong word. Guru accepts us. And once he accepts us, he takes guarantee to take us to Goloka. Is it not? Yeah. So that is why it is like after 12th standard, you got a very good percentage and you have learnt also very well. Now, on that 3 months after the 12th exam and the NEET exam, generally there's a gap. People go for crash course. During that time, you get the right guru, you will crack the exam. Is it not? So that is why if the bhav is there, automatically, that is why chick came first, hen came first. Guru came first. I see, like we say, no, if Guru comes, he will show us the path. And to Krishna. Krishna will show us the Guru. So, will Krishna first show us the Guru or will Guru show us the path? You tell me. Obviously, Krishna has to show us the Guru. So, isn't it? So, if we keep worshipping Krishna with the same bhav, Krishna will automatically show us the Guru. And Guru will show us the path to go to Goloka. Is that doubt cleared, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
But nothing will go in vain, Mataji, because what is that? 6.34 or 35. That is no. That is what is that? Chanchalam hi manaka Krishna. Not that one. 41 or 42. 41, 42, 43. Out of that, you remember one who has become a moderate yogi. But for some reason or the other, he could not reach Krishna's Lord's abode. What will happen? He will take birth in Shuchinam Shimatan Gehe. You remember that verse? Atava prapya punya kritam lokam ushitva shashwati sama
Sriman yoga bhritasho
jayate. Yes. So they will take birth. After doing lot of, what do you call that? Not siddhi. After doing Ashtanga yoga and coming to certain level, not a great yogi. And by chance, if we fall down, Krishna will next birth give us Shuchinam, Srimatan Gehe, either aristocratic family or very rich family. Why? We don't have to worry about earning bread and butter. We can spend all our life for Krishna's service. Next verse. You remember Prabhu? Atava yogi
अथवा
nameva
योगिनामेव एव कुले भवति धीमताम् एतद्धि दुर्लभातारं लोके जन्म यद् ईदृशम्.
Yadidrisham. What is that? Okay. After becoming a very, very, very elevated devotee, for some reason we fall down. Don't worry. You will take birth in a great devotee's family. Athava yoginameva. Kule bhavati dhimata. In the high kul. What is the high kulam? Only devotee. So we will take birth in high kul. That devotees house right from our birth, before the birth only. Most of the children I know when we were in Bahrain, all the devotees' children. How we don't know, 2 years, 3 years, so
Oh, yes,
many.
Mataji. Even I also experienced same thing, Mataji. The
Hmm.
person is not able to understand, even if person was 78 years old, we should not compare about knowledge, but the children are a very little age. There are what kind of
That is the Sukriti Prabhu.
yes,
That is what.
yes, Mataji. As compared to just we saw na Mataji
Hmm.
sloka, Krishna has told, I give the chance of Srukhutam, Srim, what, Mataji, aristocrat family.
Yeah, Shuchinam Srimata.
Yes.
Yes. So, Krishna will take care, Mataji. We don't have to worry at all. What is that? We are in the Kali Yuga, as it is no time. Prana Alpa Yugat Sabya. Anybody knows Bhagavatam Shloka? प्राणाल्पाय युगसभ्य कुले अस्मिन् युगे जनाः मन्दासुमन्दमतयो मन्दभाग्यह्युपधृताः. Very short life. Always we live in fighting with each other. Manda sumanda matayo. Manda means very, very dull. Sumanda, the most dull brain we have got, intelligence. All the time, hupadritaka, we live in distress. So that is why Krishna came in the form of Vyasadeva. He knew nobody will read such a big Vedas. He divided nicely, made different, Jaimini and Kapila, like that, they divided and gave. Romaharshana. So they divided all the Vedas and gave for us in this Kali Yuga people, so that they should not get bewildered seeing the Veda book. Small. We say no, jor ka jhatka dheere se dena hai. So that means a big dose of medicine is given in small, what you said, modules, capsules is given, isn't it? So like that, and when they are in the womb of the mother only, they have heard. And they all are great devotees. You take Aishwarya Mataji, Hari Bol, Krishna, we all should pray Krishna. That child should become, Mataji used to tell, I wanted to keep his name as a Chaitanya only. He is actually like that. But Guru Maharaj given the name of Jagannath. He is actually Jagannath. That 2 years child, he knows Narsimha prayer, full Narsimha Arati. He knows full Tulasi Arati. He plays so beautiful Karta. Just 2 years. Because Mataji got initiated before she got pregnant only. So obviously through Garbhadana Samskara, everything it would have happened. And that child, you really won't believe. Once I went when the child was very small, and Kirtan was going, that initial inauguration. What do you call that? Mm, Soft inauguration they called. When they shifted the deity from the center to the temple. That inauguration. And Mataji was, totally involved in Kirtan and dance. This child got up. Mataji gave Jagannath to me, no? I really felt how blessed I am to hold that child. And I didn't feel like giving the child back to Mataji. It was like that, I really hugged the child and I was making him sleep. They all are devotees. If in 5 years' time, with Krishna's mercy, he will start giving pravachan, I'm telling you. Because he's like that. So blessed they are. Hare Krishna. Okay, Mataji, Ananya Mataji, don't worry. Ananya Mataji, no, Ritvika Mataji asked. So Ritvika Mataji, Krishna himself will show the path. What is to be done? In this, as I told Kali Yuga, Manda Sumanda Matayo, we don't have to waste our brain for all small, petty things. Krishna will take. Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam. Anna, that is number one. Another one is what? ये तामां प्रपद्यन्ते तां सदैव भजाम्यहं मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्यः पार्थ सर्वशः. You just endeavor. How much you endeavor, I will reciprocate accordingly. Don't worry about that, isn't it?
Yes, Mataji. Hare
Hare
Krishna, Mataji.
Krishna. Yes. Bhagavatam is so beautiful. It's a life to be lived. We have to live Bhagavatam. Today, last 2 days, I have been taking this training sections for the teachers, no, kindergarten teachers, play school. So you just won't believe whatever we used to discuss, there's a shloka in Bhagavad Gita. Whatever I tell, immediately this is a verse. They were all thinking, like everything is in Bhagavad Gita, but still we don't even touch Bhagavad Gita. We don't even read Bhagavad Gita. Who all have read? You all are so blessed. You all are here in this platform. How many people read? How many batches have been conducted? How many would have? Of course, Mangaluru is a milestone. The maximum number of people, even in Bhakti Shastri, number of batches, etc. But still, compared to this entire, what do you call that, population, it is very, very nominal, bare minimum, peanuts, right? Hare Krishna. Yes. Anybody else having Viraj Prabhu? Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, welcome. You all are really school students and college students, so young students, and we all really pray for you people. You all should become great devotees. That's all. Don't worry. Yes, when initiation has to come, it will come. But yes, for that matter, we cannot, we have fallen down in this material ocean. We should not keep thinking that I don't know swimming, let me drown. Is it not? Whether I know it or not, हाथ पांव तो मारना पड़ेगा. Then Krishna will know, oh, there is a hand in this material ocean. Let me come and give my finger to that hand. That hand will come up. You remember what was that verse? Teshamaham samudrata mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami. Yes,
तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्यु संसार सागरात्
bhavami
भवामि नाचिरात् पार्ता मय्या
veshita chetasam.
वेशितचेतसा.
Yeah, Hari Bol. Thank you, Mataji. Chetasam, we have to endeavor. If we endeavor, he will come and help us to cross this material ocean. You know, what is that? Jo Vatsa. I'm not. Tattenu Kampa Susimikshamanam Bunjanam Ba Itam Suvipakam. In that it is said, Srila Prabhupada gives a writes beautiful analogy. In Bhagavatam it is said, for those who are in Krishna consciousness, this material world is equal to the water which is held by the hoof. You know hoof. What is that? That cows and calves will have in their feet. They put some, what do you call that? In that iron rod type, iron plate. They put, so it is their padam, it is their feet. Calf's feet, how small it is. The calf, if it keeps its both the feet on a muddy, watery place, when it takes it out, there will be a small, pit type, very small. In that, how much water can it hold? Very less. So, Srila Prabhupada says, this material world is equal to the Vatsa padam. Padam, vipadam, not getting the beginning. If I get the beginning, one minute.
Ma'am,
Mataji.
that Nal. Ma'am, that Nal you are talking about.
Prabhuji, please, I am looking for the beginning of the verse. 1 minute. Dam, padam. Yes. Hare Krishna. 10.14.58. Samashitaye padapallava palavam mahat padam yesam murirgarar. 1 second. Are you able to see the screen?
Padam padam vipadam.
Samashitaye padapallava palavam mahat padam punya yesho murare. Bhavam budir vatsa padam. Vatsa is calf's child. Cow's child calf. Okay, Buddhir Vatsam. Vatsam is a child. In that child's feet, how much water can be held? It is like that. So, we will easily cross this material ocean. Yes, Ritvika Mataji, can you read the translation?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
For those who have accepted the boat of the lotus feet of the Lord, who is the shelter of the cosmic manifestation and is famous as Murari, the enemy of the Mura demon, the ocean of the material world is like the water contained in a calf's hoof print. Their goal is Parampadam, Vaikuntha, the place where there are no material miseries, nor the place where there is danger at every step. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So this is so beautiful, right? So it says it is not, we will easily cross. But yeah, for that, all this knowledge, what we are learning, we have to learn under the shelter of Guru. That is there. Without Guru, because if you want some degree, we accept all the rules and regulation of any university, register ourselves, go and study under a Guru, then they give us the certificate. Isn't it? Exactly, it is like that. So we have to attach ourselves to any of the organization, in the sense, so any ISKCON temple. So they will show us the Guru, and we have to take a shelter. That is 13.8. You remember? Anybody knows 13.8? Amanitvam adambitvam ahimsa kshantir arjavam acharya upasanam. Acharyopasanam Shaucham Dhairyam Stairyam Atma Vinigraha. So all this Amanitvam, Adambitva, Ahimsa, Kshanti, Arjavam, self-control, all we have to practice under whom? Under the shelter of Guru. That is what? Acharya Upasanam. Okay. Hare Krishna. Yes. Any other doubt? Or you can share your realization. Asha Mataji, Ritvika Mataji, Sadhana Mataji, Viraj Prabhu, Bamshidhar Prabhu has left, I think. Yes. Anybody wants to share your realization? What happened, where we were, where we have reached? Yes, Viraj Prabhu, go ahead.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Prabhu.
Ma'am, if like Arjuna, after hearing Bhagavad Gita from Krishna, if he will be involved in all these sinful reactions, will he still get
Prabhuji, first of all, if he, isn't it? You said if. Where from that if came? You
no,
get my
like,
point?
this is the situation from
Well,
my
he's not getting involved in any sinful action. We have told anything what we do under the superior authority, order of the superior, like the military person killing people in the border, doctor, patients killed on the operation table, they all are doing it at the order of higher authorities. So that is not sinful reaction at all. We can't call what Arjuna did is a sinful reaction. Because Krishna told, you remember me, Mamanusmara Yudhyacha. Remember me and fight. So we can't say if he's involved in sinful activities. Which sinful activity Arjuna got involved? You tell me correctly. Don't say if.
I am saying that he was not involved in sinful reactions. I'm saying if he was, it's a situation from my side. If he was involved in the sinful reactions after hearing Bhagavad Gita, will he still get liberation?
Then Bhagavan would have come again and told, okay, Arjuna, I gave you the knowledge. Even after that, you involved in this. So another continuation, second episode of Bhagavad Gita. Isn't it, Prabhu? After hearing, see, Prabhu, Krishna will not give this knowledge. He did not give this knowledge to Duryodhana. He will not give this knowledge to anybody who will not listen to him. So there is no question of if. That is why I said no question of if. Krishna will give this knowledge to only a person who is already in a, not only elevated from the Sattva Guna. So there is no point for them of falling down, number one. Even if he falls down, I told already, apichet suduracharo. Even if they fall down, you were not there, I think, 6.30. Yapichet suduracharo bhajate mama nanyabhag. My devotee, even if they get involved in above in lack, I will fix them back. It is my responsibility. The others don't have to worry. So 6.30, it tells the answer for your question already. After becoming my devotee, after listening to all these things, after doing all pious activities, nishkama karma, in my love, devotion, if they do, what will he do? He will fix them back. He will show them the path. Okay, Prabhu? 6.30 you read very carefully, Prabhupada's purport, you will be able to understand very beautifully. Okay, Prabhu? The same question. The question, this is the answer for your question. Krishna
ma'am.
is saying, I will take care of my devotees. Let them fall down to any. Prabhupada, one of the lecture, one devotee asked, Prabhupada, sorry Prabhupada, you will anytime leave this world. Who will take care of us? You are telling, you are there to give us guarantee to take us to Goloka. Prabhupada said, why do you worry about it? Even if you go to animal kingdom, I will come there and take you. Once I have given you guarantee, it is my responsibility to take you back. It is not your responsibility. Got it? So even if Arjuna falls down, it is not Arjuna's headache. Krishna's headache to make him all right and to take him back. Okay? Hare Krishna.
Okay, ma'am. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol. Yes. Anybody else? Yes. That's it. Okay. So I will ask for permission. Don't go out of this group. Be there. Till today morning also, I saw in the Mangalarti, so many sannyasis were there in Mangaluru. So Mataji will be busy. I didn't want to disturb her. Tomorrow, I will send her a voice message. And I'm very sure if you all are interested in, we can go to Krishna book reading. Okay? It's only reading. Even if it is for half an hour, even if we don't get the temple link, absolutely no problem. 40-minute Zoom section we will have, 7:20 to 8, whatever it is. So we will finish it. So stay tuned. With Krishna's mercy, we will meet from most probably on Monday. And see who is not there in L2 level? Sadhana Mataji is not there, but same link Mataji, okay?
Okay, Mataji, I'll join Mataji.
So
Thank you, Mataji.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.
Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I very, very sincerely thank every one of you because you all were actually all are elevated devotees only. And the way the doubts are you have, in my absence, how many classes Asha Mataji has taken? And Ananya Mataji presented so beautifully with the PPT, etc. So I know I really, it's not the pride. I am talking about Krishna's mercy on you all. How beautifully you all have been learning and growing right in the right path. So I thank Naminishra Prabhu and Aishwarya Mataji for giving me this opportunity of this participating in Krishna Leela. We all participated together in Krishna Leela in level 2, and this journey has just begun, and this journey will never end. Hare Krishna. So I thank every one of you on behalf of ISKCON Mangaluru Kulai Temple and Naminishra Prabhu. वाञ्छाकल्पतरूपस्य कृपा सिन्धुभयेव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंतकोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय, शीला प्रभुपाद की जय, श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की जय, नामनिश्रा प्रभु की जय, ऐश्वर्या माता जी की जय। All glories to assembled devotees, Hare Krishna. All glories to assembled devotees, Hare Krishna. All glories to assembled devotees, Hare Krishna. All glories to Guru and Gauranga.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Chitra
Krishna.
Mataji ki jai.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
No,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Mataji, Krishna's mercy is not there. We could not have continued. So many hindrances would have come. And I'm really telling this level. I hardly for 2 days, that too when I went for Dham Yatra, like that 2 days. And that also you did not let the class break in between, Mataji. Both the time you took care of the class. So I really sincerely thank every one of you. Hare Krishna.
Because of your mercy,
Hare
we took
Krishna.
Mataji. Hare Krishna.
We all are Nimitta Matra, Mataji. That Nimitta Matra also Guru's mercy only we get. It's so difficult to get. Actually, we saw 18 point which was 3, 4, 3, 5, last was the end. Who is the most secret knowledge? Krishna told, no, one who spreads my message. That is a idam guhyatamam. No? This is a idam guhyatamam. This is the most secret knowledge. So, yare teke tare kaho Krishna Upadesha. If even people do not want, at home also, you say Hare Krishna in the morning, whether they like it or not. Hare Krishna. So, with everybody's
Hare
permission.
Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much. Mataji, I can join you for Krishna book.
Yeah, of course, Mataji. You want to bring
Thank you so
others
much.
also, you bring. In your class also, wherever, whichever class you were in, tell them we are starting. Even if we are not starting, Monday we will do something as we did Kunti prayer we did. So something like that, Vrittasur prayer we will take only 4 verses.
Mataji, what
Only
will be the time?
same
Start
time, Mataji. Mataji, this link will be free till the next class, next 58th batch. So we can use this link till then. Okay, Mataji? So the same link what we have used now, we can use it on Monday also.
And level 3 class when it
Level
will
3 classes already, tomorrow that is, Sunday 8 p.m. Have you joined that group, Mataji?
No, Mataji.
You did not join that group? In
No,
our,
Mataji.
Mataji, in our group only, there is a link for doing the quiz, correct, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
You finish that quiz, Mataji. Once you finish the quiz, Asha Mataji will guide you very nicely. She has got the certificate. Asha Mataji, tell them, Mataji.
Yes, yes, Mataji. After finishing the quiz, so automatically, so it will show download the certificate. So you can download the certificate in the PDF form. You can download it. After
Okay,
finishing
Mataji.
18 chapter, each chapter contains 20 questions, and answer you should give the answer, and the time will also display. And 85 to 90%, if you score means, then you can go to next level. Below 70 means, then again it will ask you to repeat the course. So you have to choose the correct answer, and then you can go further. That is the
Okay,
procedure.
Mataji.
And
Okay,
there is a
Mataji.
link for registering level 3. In that registration level, it will ask you to submit the PDF form of the certificate. So automatically you will be taken to level 3.
Okay, Mataji. And from tomorrow it will start.
No, actually speaking, the class has started.
Oh, okay,
Only
Mataji.
one class, only one introduction class. That is Ishopanishad, I think, or nectar of instruction. The introduction page is over. That's all. Classes have not yet started. Tomorrow 8 p.m. And I will share the link for registration also in the group once
Yes,
again.
Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Thank you,
Hare
Mataji. Hare Krishna,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna. Sarvam Shri
Thank you,
Krishna
Asha Mataji.
Arpanamastu.
Hare Krishna.
Hari Om. Hare Krishna. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.